Ki Samla Pule ke skul ba NEHU hapo ke lama ke NEHU su bat ke NEHU ta kila kerensah ke inquiry committee ba kamphe ledakan mi ke report ke ba kumno Henry Kim Om Pediang Shu ke lele ru yu vice chancellor professor Prabha Shankar Shukla habakren hadin balai kendu ika Kynhun Tohkit mendakasi NEHU presiden ke NEHU su Samla Sandi Sotun uloong baka seng ki Samla Pule kerensah ba kam Pediang Shu yu professor Shankar bat udai ban mi na NEHU ulapan pawi ke jingkermen bakane ke Kynhun Tohkit kan ai ke kaipot ke babiang ulong bak keseng kelapan sngoi ke jingle jong une UVC ke balawan rai ke kenrum kenram bat ke jinghiar ke NEHU hapo ke jingpet jong u ha ke ju ke por u presiden ke NEHU ta u profesor lakon kema ulong bakalong kat balong une UVC bementa dei mandang don syu NEHU ulapan pau bagi syania hak ne Kynhun Tohkit bakat ai ke rai ke babiang ban penhun iki Nonghikai bat iki Samla Pule kene kajing pen pau jongki kade mamenta ke Kynhun Tohkit ba arngot belathung ka sarkar pedeng menta ka sigi nongkong ka arpsan tarik nai weng arjar pusau kala poi ha ka Slam Pule jongka NEHU bat kelas dang ka kam jongka banlum jingtip nak baya kendo iki Samla Pule ki Nonghikai ke NEHU kene ke Kynhun ko balelam du DP Singh badu Dilip Chandranat kele kendo menta ka sengi iki Samla Pule bat ki Nonghikai ke NEHU
resmi kini di komiti balapan kini ministry kirawan hakaban samut kira dekat ke belawan nanti we di Himanshu we Dilip Singh DP Singh but Dilip dia we pada ni kamcem layu akan kali kita keteng dia nak kalian gajungi hi nalu sini kong bangila thok kita dorkas ki bapher ina ashki but kumju kidang jingdawa ki bangila dawa nadu aja apaan nak kalian ke isu ni huinan but kumju nak kalian kani husu nilapan sekolah kejengnya juga ni Samla Pule buat tunjuk HKA baru lalik Donbor kini HKA kini cing staff apa ulah syupa tong kita ki advertisement ki bapher re amshim ladan kena unu ke recruitment drive ben penlong lam ta kini teaching staff buat kumjuru habide kini ki department ki bapher apa inilah top city nak kalian gajungi ban recruit ya kita ki guest lecturer dari haduk mentaru dan ki department ba amshim la ai kata approval ban recruit kita guest lecturer dia kunjur dengan lapan sekolah habis dia kesurok sengkian dia dengan leceh syaka kotar jong visi ni iba kan tu jing pha jing miat kata kesurok kunjur kan administrative block hendai dengan leceh hostel dengan leceh department bapher pan ni iba kat nu kejing kendum kendram kat nu kejing seni rathai kata kesurok ke hapok kan universiti bat kunjuru bide bakawi ka atli dia hostel ki barem ka lapan sekolah nak kalian gajungi bala south stem kenti am syam ladan ganu gajing maraman hendai nak kalian visi ula batai batu kupola sanction pisah hendai haduk mentau kan batna i kita ngila batai bat kunju ki wifi ru hakaba ni universiti uliat Donbor hakaba ubo atli ke kali u ban penankam banyak sunum seneng hendai habide bak ambulans hadu lai benan sau benai kenti habdan kata gajing ki ban pan kowe ke ambulans katau ni kata kowe ambulans ke hapet ke hap syakri haduk san hajar kena dia nak kalian gajungi nilai kita jing dawa bapher berkumjuru nilai kerpat barang ba uni visi hi dalele ru ngam shimla pediang watla kelawan ni ke komiti ban sengawi ndai da kanunu ka outcome dari nak ni ka komiti ru ndai nak kalian gajungi dalele ru ngam pediang shu uni visi ban ju kejat hakani ke jalan ni kini universiti ke jumi dia habidi baga komiti hi kajingwan juki ke shilong bat benchkeli we arli jingkeli bat amba kumnu universiti uji respon uji ai update amini kamtam habidi ke convocation antala laistam ganti amsham ladan ke convocation hakaba hak act institute la pau shai bat amba di benlang bet annually kini ke convocation di nakaliang jungu syumkia di petskong kata bat ukeli ba DSW ke rule jungu ban habidi bat universiti ban habidi bat petrikam ki kam Samla Pule kini sulba dia nakaliang jungi kume berkhai bengi tep ni nakaliang jungi ru ong ba visi hi ude boleh Donbor bat amsham la consultant yunu ru ule hi bet nadu sedang hadu bakut dia kume bilai mentan ru bomdan mo uhi katnu kita ki kot selagi ki bengi lalap ba ulale Donbor sikat dia bat ndai ni seniak scam ni ke komiti ke bakawan bat kumju kini ki report ki ba ngilah submit buat bun kini ki DR ki bola shtung be ando ngilah pensau tu kini komiti bat ingit scam begini komiti kinchim kenu ke senjam nang ban pentau bet bo universiti hi unde bandan hakani universiti
dia genduk juki kalau kesol kalau komiti kelas kap
dia kumba lapha hi nak liang ministry nak liang jungi du nidan kata ke jikerman banang bakin mana sya kata ke respon ke babiang kin ai kata ke result ke babiang jong ke report ke kilawan chem tak kesni bat kunjuk kata ke respon nak ni husu ni huta ni unsa ki isu meta barokat kini stakeholder juga ni university ting jikerman bat nyen up sya kata ke respon juga ni ki komiti ke lapha ministry but aduk kota bangnya apsang yang perlong di ni jingi ki demonstration bangin numki dan kini jaka buat kumju di ka bamta nyempat wa lang nin chong chwa kita isi meeting but saya berkat pat kumno banle abi di kini ki classes hakisni ki bansawan
ni anu ketu jing kedu jing hai khule sibon ang stunat nama ba kajing elang jongi bat ka nega inquiry committee ngatrai ni nakaliang ka nehuta ni sko comment sikade bagi layawan nila pensno ke bangila dep keren bro sikata nado pasdang kene jinga ki mli tanga jinga ki nado mensim senam abang ya ki namantagi kam ki ba pher po kan nihu nila pen paw ya ki nila pen sngo ya ki ba balengi kum ki Nonghikai balengi kum ki stakeholders mo ki ong hapo jong ka university balengi bitar yo ni breu namar ubreu ubam patiao yang ni kum ki Nonghikai patiao ki student kan snap ya ka university dan jing snow ka jet menri jungi bodon hakane ka jala jungi don ban le bhan ban takan nihu hanrei ka kam jungu ka debet ban warra ki breu nabar ki bamlong fit ki bamlong competent ki bam nang lese hakaliang ka Nonghikai ne hakaliang ki non teaching staff ne we warra ba ki breu ki ba ni have verify kumno ki sajet na ka selection committee ni lada banru pilihan pet bahaya ka selection committee kumno ki jadi gini ki breu na haka jing pet jungi haka jing yo sngo jungi ni ki khna ka kam hikai ro kimbyang ka qualification ro kimbyang nga ngets khamba ka committee kala sgap bhayangi let's say kan ai hi ka rai ka ba byang ka ba pura baki khna jungi khamtam gitu ki ba sha jing it ki khna jungi ki bala penya ja kene ka jing ki Kynhun but ladaki maki kum ki student ki hon ni ki Nonghikai ru in hon kajing keren kalong ba shai ba longkat bolong kajing tho jong kene ka inquiry ka report jong kene ka inquiry committee yone ubre ngim sha shu bandrung hapo ka mulai ku mala ong ka mulai tahun Donbor kum jo ngi kum ki Nonghikai kum ki non teaching staff kum ki student ni la ong bang ngim sha shu bandrung hapo ka nihu ka report committee ki la ban thau kuno ka kom ba ki kwa harai kan nalin jungi lapan pa yong ne nginum pediang syu kumu visi nama long fit banlong visi haka school ba jungi
ke ke jing bets ngau nak liang jong ki komiti tharai ka jing kerpat ki jong pisai nak jing kren
ye ka komiti yang bai phis ngap yangi phis ngap ki khna phis ngap ki non teaching staff si phis ngap yo borkhot phipet ki kot kisla nila kedo shai bala ra phipet ki kot kisla phin lab bonjet ki huri hura ba kajing le krum keram jong ni mde tangga liang gane ka administration wat ka liang pisaru bon gi krum keram napo ka EWS hapo ka EWS ngi yo pisa shibon digi kulur ka pisa ngi yo hado menta la license name katu ka pisa kan penon kam ka pisa ka don ula phashe engim tem hakjo ka por ki hostel ba ki la yo pisa ban shna tangka site rungi pada ka he ka tangka jaka ban shna ka hostel rungi patem hanai ka pisa ula dep ai ka CBWD kapani ba kasu delay kai ka perslam kai ka kam mne tanga ta ki jing the jong ki computer ki spatli na ta ka pisa bo the ki ni ki shuki ki ben ki sofa ki bamdon ya ka pen khenya ka JFR bamdon tender pen khenya ka JFR 2017 kapani lot ba krom karam le ba bon hanrai lese hapo shisngi arsi ngam tharai kene committee kala namar fitep kum kini ki jing jale re banai lese ki CBI ki simpor ban poisa ta ka thong ban batai ba ke bade ke bomde hanrai hakane ka arsi ngi ngai skem ba kala kedo shai kitu ki report ba ladap sna daga committee na pon NEHU bat ka jing kren jungi gira pun shai kadar ba uniu bure ula pendan kam bakla ya kan NEHU ya ka pisa jong NEHU taka daw ngi kum ka university ngi her namigi kena kim don hostel babyang kim yo wifi kim yo ka library facility babyang kim yo ka sports facility po hostel ka bam ka di ka ka bajabo nandong syadong ka peni ba ka pisa jungi ka dan harre syai ka let tip tang new breu namar ka pisa jungi ula transfer syai ba hanai ka company hamadan ka pasedang ka peni ba ka don ka gross mismanagement bangi ong gross mismanagement jong ka fund jong ka NEHU namar ubreu syamphang harre ukwa ban pendon kam baklaya ka pisa jungi kwa pendon kam baklaya ka kerteng jungi kwa pendon kam baklaya ka kerteng jungi university ya ka syuki jungu ban wan ra iki brio na bar ngam tip ka e dan halandan harangi suthu bale se udan da ka agenda ka ba jabo u ele ban punur lon harangi ngai scam ba lingba ka jing system jungi khna but ni
Are you really serious to solve this?
No. See, let's give them the benefit of doubt. I think if they are very seasoned members. I think Professor D.P. Singh is a 3-time Vice Chancellor and also the ex-UGC Chairman. The other person, Professor Nath,
has been
he's also Assam University Vice Chancellor. And they seems to be understanding because we don't have to explain too many things because they being from the same system. Whatever we say, they understood. You know, when you say violation of certain rules, they know what does it mean. When you say appointment by rotation, they understand what does it mean. When we say denying somebody promotion from the day it is due, they understand these things. So we don't have to stroke hard to make things clear to them. Now it's up to them how they assess because they have done interaction with our NRF members from IQAC, then NEHU, NEHUTA, now they will do for NEHUNSA, and then of course officials and deans and so on. But I think the overall, I think I can say that we are satisfied as far as the association is concerned because we could say, I mean, when you read a report is something else. When you sit in Delhi and try to assess things are different. But when you face to face, you come with the stakeholders, teachers of the university or the NEHUTA as an association of teachers who are concerned with the welfare of not only teachers, but we are more concerned with the welfare of our students and the university at large. And hence, our voice, we made it very, very clear that come what may, it is untenable for him because we said you may make whatever report you want to, but the fact remains that it is untenable for him to come back as a VC, come what may, because he has shown that he is arrogant, incompetent, and total lack of interest in NEHU's affair, the result of which is that we have had this agitation where some of our students are seriously ill. And that's why it's a worrisome concern, and he is a persona non grata for us. NEHU doesn't belong to him. He can go wherever he wants.
Do you think the committee will be considered composed and now they will have...
Probably the attachment or annexures to substantiate whatever the committee has prepared from NEHU. They have come to assess physically because when we say road, they have to see themselves that how bad are our roads. When they say no street light, they have to see. When they say the buildings are in dilapidated conditions, the hostels are bad, they have to physically see. And also see the impulse that we have. So I really I won't worry their short interaction because, you know, the document is ready. And document and paper speaks volume of it by itself. And hence I won't worry that they are here for a short period of time. The only thing is, if they give any recommendation which is against our interest, then we will know whether they have been biased or they have been totally unbiased. I think that we will leave it to next few days. We'll know. Maybe by 29 or so, we'll get some indication that what assessment they have done, whether they have been biased or unbiased. And I give them the benefit of doubt that after interacting with teachers and students, I don't think they will have any way possible for them not to dwell into the reality and make an assessment which is conducive, acceptable, and in the larger interest of NEHU, which is his removal. Whichever way, whichever mode, we leave it to them. But Professor P.S. Shukla has to go from here. How he goes, we really don't care, frankly speaking. It's just that we don't want to see his face anymore within the boundary of Molai, and of course, more specifically within the boundary of NEHU. Longkat bolong ka report hilaban Tohkit bomon harai yong new breu long shuban man phahan ne ko visi em ka committee pade namar ka wans ke hap sngap nang takan pe eki kot kisla kamla ban kim persha ya kata ka jingong jungi ngathrai kide hi ki Nonghikai ba laju long vice chancellor ko chairman lai laise la long vice chancellor nang ta chisin wala long chairman joka UGC te tu wei Professor Nadru laju long VC joka Assam University secha kide ki Nonghikai ngathrai kitib bhak e bangi karan kumnu pen khanyi gi an ban thungkam thungjam kumnu pen khanyi gi an ha ka jing thungjong gi din kumnu pen khanyi gi an ki ba pher kumnu condemn ka academic council kumnu abuse ka academic council kumnu abuse ki Nonghikai kita ki sutholo nama ki kum ki Nonghikai kitip ha ka put ka sam jong vice chancellor ke ki kam ula ban le ke kam bo umde ban le hari ngila pan pau ki kam bo umde ban le hari u ps chukula ula le hang ne pon NEHU ki di kam ki ba be an sudah ngatrai nganget skema komiti kan ai ka report baki kena jong ki priang kata ka ngi kino hikai ngin ladaki priang ngi priang bet ladaki hun ki student ngi ngi hun bai ya kata ngi yang bet kata kan nongrem namar ngim kwa shu benyu i ne ubreu hapo ka campus
committee submitted.
That we can't say because that's not appropriate for us to assess. Let's leave to their wisdom. They are seasoned people. I think they know exactly what they have come for. I think give them the space. I believe that they will make a fair assessment based on what they have seen, what they have heard, what they have read. And that is more important because papers are I believe the committee have substantiated with documents which are so glaring as far as irregularities are concerned, whether it is